everybody, this is Donna Miller. I am with Miller Crafts and I have a nice John Deere birthday card. This would be a good card for either gender. It's pretty gender neutral. I actually am making this card for my good friend Amanda. She loves John Deere and her entire kitchen is made out of John Deere, and I thought she would really like this card. So this yellow paper I got from a Recollections paper pack that you can see right here. This is a good starter paper pack. This is from Michael's, and it has a lot of really good solid colors in it. So if you're looking for blue, they have all kinds of different types of blues in it. If you need red, they have all kinds of different reds, and they have a lot of standard colors inside of it, and it's really good if you're a beginner card maker and you need to have some basic colors that will match things. This is a really good paper pack. It was only like maybe $5, and then you could use a coupon to knock that price down. So I would recommend something like that that has multiple colors in it that you could use for multiple cards if you're just getting started. So I'm using that as my card base. So this piece of paper right here is 5 on the top and 3.75 on the bottom. And I'm just going to eyeball that on there. I am using art glitter glue. I find it's the best glue that you can use. Now for this piece, I went ahead and pre-did all this. I taped on the back where I wanted the start and end point to go, and then I tied a bow on there. And I just used this string. It is American Crafts. I got this from my local Burke's outlet store where I live. I just don't feel like that store is in a lot of areas, so I'm not sure, but I bet you could get something similar to this online. I did that off camera because I am not the best at tying bows, and I knew it was going to take me a long time to tie that, and I am doing this live, so I didn't want you to have to sit there and watch me suffer with that. Okay, so this is the SVG that I'm using. I did the black out of vinyl because there's no way with this intricate cuts, with this being so small, that you would get anything any good. And this is on an Actionwobble. So I bought these on Amazon, and it seemed like a high price. It was like $17 when I bought them, but then you think you get 48 in a pack, so they came out to be like 37 cents a piece, so it's a really good deal. I wanted to put that down here. I kind of felt like this looked like a road. I don't know, with the yellow line and everything. I know it's the wrong color, but it just looks like a road, and I just like how this is an Actionwobble. I think it's really cute. I think my friend's gonna like this. And then the happy birthday sentiment. This is off of Cards TV. This is mini messages. If you've never watched Cards TV with Mary, I highly recommend it. And this stamp set especially. It has so many good sentiments on here. You can use this all year round, and they're really small because this cloud is very, very small, but it will fit perfectly on the card because I wanted it to kind of look like the smokestack was saying happy birthday coming out. I just thought that would be a really cute card. I know my friend is going to really love this. She just loves John Deere so much that you can't buy a card like this in the store. I mean, you can look, but I highly doubt they would have that. And then just think it's so much fun to play with. She's going to love that. And then here's my inside of the card. I just did this. This is another really good sentiment stamp set I would highly recommend if you're just getting started with cards. It's all to new, beautiful inside. It has some really good sentiments for birthday, thank you, Thanksgiving, thinking of you, Christmas. And it's just a really solid stamp set for the insides, because I always struggle with the insides of the card. What do I want my card to say? I struggle with that. I'm definitely a math person. In real life, I teach math in high school math. So English is not my cup of tea. So I really need help with stuff like that. So that's a really good stamp set if you're someone like me and you have a hard time coming up with what you want to say. That stamp set, I believe I got at simonsaysstamps.com. And it was a fairly good price. And I've gotten a lot of use out of it for the price. So I'll just glue this on here. And I really like to eyeball everything. I know you could use the grid lines, but I just eyeball it. And that is our stamp set for the day. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope you have a wonderful day.